this is not an ideal energy, okay? This is you feeling very upset or hurt because of something that has come to light. It's not so much a secret, it's just a kind of awareness of feelings and emotions. The moon often depicts when somebody is deceiving you emotionally. They may even be deceiving themselves, but to see those together like that shows us that we're going to have a heartache coming. So brace yourselves. Actually, we've got the Knight of Wands there behind it. So this could be somebody that you've been involved with, physically involved with, and something changes and maybe there's not so much an ending, but some information comes to light and it hurts you and it upsets you. So let's just take a look and see what's coming with this. So you might now be in this place and I want you to be happy. I want you to enjoy every moment of happiness. However, to see that coming shows us that we also have something that may shift that happiness into a different place. So best thing for us to do is to be prepared, because we don't want to end up in this place where we're feeling down and depressed. You definitely do not see this coming, and I think that's why they're saying this is how you probably currently feel about this person. So let's just see how we can navigate this. So this is somebody you know. It's not somebody new, it's somebody you know, and it's somebody that you feel at the moment emotionally stable and safe with, but there's going to be a change here. This person seems to be very in control of this connection, okay? So it might be a case if they see you when they are free, and if you wanted to see them, it's not so much on your terms, it's always on their terms. Here is your Tower moment that's coming up, okay, where things shift. Sorry to be all doom and gloom. Like I said, I want you guys to be happy, but this person's going to disappoint you. And it's not a shock, but it's not nice. It's just not a good feeling. And you're going to be very in your emotions about this. So let's see how we can kind of avoid it if we can. Yeah, it just shows here, you know, you might actually see this person in the car with somebody else, or there might be something where linked to, that there's another person being seen in a car, okay? You either drive past you or you drive past them and see them with another person. And so this is going to hurt a lot because you're holding on tightly to this person. So be prepared, yeah? What we do with the information and what we do with the reaction is all that matters, taking care of you. This might end a cycle that you're in. It might also put you in a spot where you feel like you can't keep doing this with this person. So if they come and explain themselves or they're full of excuses, you might have heard them all before, just be aware that what you are seeing is being shown to you on purpose. It could be divine intervention, letting you know what's going on behind the scenes, okay? But there's definitely another person involved here, and it's definitely somewhere where they get caught out or seen. If this is your partner, you may catch them out with somebody else, or somebody may see them in the car together, but I feel like it's more like you're involved and you don't know that they're involved with somebody else. So yeah, you may feel left out, pushed out in the cold, rejected, like the relationship is shattered, and it may be very difficult for you to cope with this moving forward. Take some time out, create some stability for you when this hits. But I think in the meantime, just, you know, slowly start to pull back, get control. I know it's not nice because you look like you're having a great time right now, but this is a warning reading, okay? And the attraction between you two is big. And although at the moment you feel very much in control, and if you were to look at this from an outside perspective, do you feel like there is lack in your relationship? Do you feel like you could doubt this person? Because if the answer to that is secretly yes, this reading is for you. This is a warning, okay? It's just showing there. You may see them and they might not know that you've seen them, and then they may lie about it. I don't like this. There's conflict, there's triggers. It's a negative energy that's coming through, and you're going to get ripped out of your comfort zone with this person, and it's going to be a shock, okay? What you choose to do next is the most important thing. What action you take next, don't let it be about ego. Don't kind of try and win this person over this other person. That would be an ego-driven situation. It just shows here earth signs as well, so Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn could be involved in this. There we have the deception card. I don't like this energy, guys, so please be warned. Someone you're involved with is up to something and I don't like it. Or, you know, you might just be out in the dark with this and not have any idea that the person you're seeing is also seeing somebody else, so just be careful. They're going to try and control this situation. They're a very toxic person. It is showing masculine energy here, so it's probably a guy. Sorry for all the nice guys out there. But yeah, just be careful, because this person's going to avoid things. They're not going to work with you on this. They're going to either lie to you, they're going to try and win you over, or they're just going to disappear. So call on spirit, ask for the signs, ask for the help. Divine intervention is going to bring this to you anyway, and although you might not like that, they're doing it so you can have better, so you can have more. Be careful what choice you make with this person.